Ya que quieras correr por un lado, dime, oiga, vamos allá, vamos o algo. Yo me voy contigo, yo me voy de viaje, pero ya este año no creo, yo creo que en noviembre quizás, pero no sé todavía. Quiero ir de viaje por una semana. Y yo la verdad es de que
Good afternoon.
Hi, we're ready to go.
I believe so. Think we've got everybody.
Okay,
Yes.
our first person is Dante Brown.
All right. Is he? Yeah. Thank you. Hello, Mr. Brown. I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some unresolved matters here. It looks like quite a few traffic matters back in October of 2022, and then a more recent no driver's license in May of 2025.
Yes.
These charges do not require jail time. However, and but you do have a right to a trial in these matters. I don't know if you did these things, but what I'd like for you to do is speak with the prosecutor about some kind of resolution. If
Okay.
you don't like the plea offer, we can always still set it for trial. All right.
Okay.
So if you would tell the lady that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak to the prosecutor in private.
Okay. And I actually do remember you from court. So
Okay,
you
good.
you
All right.
was my judge. You told me to go to Drivers and Solutions, but
Yes,
they
there
but
you
they
go.
they wasn't open at the time, and
I
so
gotcha.
I had another court date, and I just lost track of the other time. So yeah, I've been trying to work on my license. I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
She told me to put yeah.
Mr. Rankin?
Judge, I think we do have a resolution.
All right.
I think Mr. Brown is willing to plead guilty to the one no insurance charge. In exchange, the city would move to dismiss the other seven charges. We'd recommend a fine of $323.50 and no jail time, no probation. I suspect Mr. Brown will want some time to pay to get that taken care of.
All right. Mr. Brown, did you understand what the prosecutor just said?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. That, however, by entering this plea to that no insurance charge, you're giving up your right to that trial. Is
Okay.
that how you want to proceed today?
Yes. Is there a possibility once I do get my license, everything I can, or my vehicle, I can show that I've got insurance?
Um, well, if you enter the plea, it's a done deal,
Okay.
and there's no
Oh,
there's no
it's fine.
going back.
Okay,
You know
it's
what I'm
fine.
saying? Now this was, yeah, insurance, um, current insurance on a vehicle you own.
Yeah, I don't have that car anymore, so yeah.
I gotcha. I gotcha. Yeah. But no, it'd be a done deal.
Okay.
By entering the plea, you'll have that on your driving history,
Okay.
that conviction. So is that still how you want to proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. For the charge of no insurance, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
All right, I'll accept your plea. All the other charges will be dismissed. The total of that $323.50 will be owed. Um, you obviously, these charges will not be holding you in jail anymore. Uh,
Okay.
you'll get an OR bond. But I don't know about the other matters that you got going. I don't know if you'll be getting out right away or it'll
Right.
be
Well,
a little
I'm
bit.
still on the 48-hour hold, so that
Gotcha.
doesn't get up till tonight, I think.
Oh, okay. All right,
Yes.
so I'll continue this for a couple months. I'll go to the end of September for you
Okay.
to pay. All right.
Okay.
And hopefully you won't be in custody, but if you are, we'll know.
Right,
Okay.
right, right.
And we can move the date for you.
Okay.
It'll be September 25th at 1 o'clock. Okay.
Okay.
Payment.
Gotcha.
All right. Uh, did
Thank
you
you.
have any questions at all?
No, ma'am.
All right. All right. Well, I wish you good luck in your other matters. We'll send paperwork over to ORU out on these charges.
Okay, thank you.
All right. You have a good day.
You too.
Joseph Franco. And like I told that gentleman, this is your video course for your Kansas City, Kansas municipal charges. Go ahead, so you can have a private conversation with your attorney.
Hello, I'm Judge Whitman with Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have a couple of unresolved matters here. You have a charge of driving while suspended. Looks like you received the ticket May 28th of 2025. At some point, you missed your court date and then received a ticket for a failure to appear summons. And again, you missed that. So those are the charges.
Ma'am,
Yes?
the first charge for there should have been a trespassing failure to appear. I was incarcerated in here in 2024 in January when we had that big snowstorm. I was in Andrew County, so I missed that court date because I was in Andrew County. I wasn't here. So when I
I
got
got
out,
you.
I didn't know that I didn't know that there was a warrant because I was already incarcerated. So I didn't know that I had a warrant for my arrest.
Gotcha. But it looks like I'm just looking at the tickets that you received that on January 21st of this year,
Uh-huh.
you received that failure to appear summons. So they reset everything, gave you a new court date, and you didn't show up.
Are you sure that's not my dad,
Nope. It's birth
Joseph
date.
James?
Let's see, wait, hang on. 12/15/81. It's your
Yes,
birthday?
yes.
That's those tickets. Yes, that's what these are.
I don't
Okay.
remember getting them. Huh.
All right. So anywho, let's back up. You've got
Okay.
these two charges, the driving while suspended and the failure to appear. You have a right to a trial if you wish on these matters. But what I'd like for you to do is hear the plea offer that the city prosecutor has. If you don't like the plea offer, we can always set it for trial. All
Okay.
right. All right, so if you would ask the lady that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout, you'll
Put
be
me in a
able to
breakout.
talk to the prosecutor in private.
Okay.
Mr. Rankin?
Judge, I think we do have an agreement here.
Okay,
I think Mr. Franco is willing to plead guilty to the failure to appear charge. In exchange, the city would dismiss the driving with a suspended license. We'd recommend a 48-hour jail sentence, but we'd ask that he get credit for time served. He's been in since the first, so he served that time.
all right. Mr. Franco, did you understand what the prosecutor just said?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. Sorry.
Oh,
Sorry
you're
about that.
fine. You're fine. That you are willing to plead to the failure to appear and the other charge would be dismissed.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you understand by entering the plea, though, that you're giving up your right to a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And is that how you want to proceed today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So to the charge of failing to appear, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
All right. I'll accept your plea. The other charge will be dismissed. You will get credit for the time served, and you will owe no fines or cost. And so the case will be closed. This charge was not holding you. So if you do get out on your other matters, you'll be getting out because this
Okay.
had nothing to do with your hold. All right.
Thank you so much.
Did you have any questions at all?
No, ma'am.
All right. That'll conclude the hearing. I wish you good luck in
Judge,
your
excuse
matter.
me.
Um,
What about the balance that is still pending?
yeah, that's what I was gonna ask.
The which,
He owes money on another two counts, for 100
well,
for
they'll
one
just
count.
be in payment status. You just need to pay when you can. You have
Okay.
Okay.
two cases in payment status.
Can
So
I
do
talk to
not-
the district attorney?
Well, it's a city prosecutor, but yes, you can talk to him. You can ask to go back in that room.
Okay, yeah. Can I go back to talk to the district attorney, please? And thank you for that, ma'am.
You have a good day.
I need to go talk to him.
Judge, do not continue the payment cases?
Give him 30 days. Just
Okay.
give him, it matters. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
No.
He'll pay it when it'll go to collections at some point. So.
Okay,
All
we're
right.
changing pods and we're going to go and see Calvin Williams and I'm changing pods. Just a
All
moment.
right. Thank you.
Williams, have a seat. This is your video port for your city charges, municipal headphones, so you'll be able to have a private conversation with your attorney.
Hello, Mr. Williams. I am Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have a couple of unresolved matters here. Both charges are drinking in public. It looks like you received one of the tickets July 16th of 2025, and then one July 22nd of 2026. I wish you to understand that you have an absolute right to a trial in these matters. However, I
Yes,
would
ma'am.
also like you to visit with the prosecutor to determine whether or not you would accept a plea offer that he has. If you don't like the plea, then we can always still set it for trial. So
Yes,
if you would
ma'am.
ask the lady that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak to your to the prosecutor in private about these matters.
Okay.
All right. Ask the lady to put you in a breakout.
She said just put me on a breakout or something.
Keep your headphones on.
Okay.
Yeah.
There.
Mr. Rankin?
Judge, I think we do have a resolution.
All right.
I believe Mr. Williams is willing to plead guilty to one of the drinking in public charges, and the city would move to dismiss the other one. We'd recommend a 5-day jail sentence to get credit for time served, no fines or costs.
All right. Mr. Williams, did you understand what your lawyer, what Mr. Rankin just said?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. That you're willing to plead to the one charge and the other charge would be dismissed?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand though, but by entering this plea, you're giving up your right to that trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that how you still want to proceed?
Yes.
All right. So to the charge of drinking in public, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Yes.
You're hesitating. Did you not want to enter the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Well, then how do you plead? Are you pleading guilty or not guilty?
Good.
All right. I will accept your plea. The one charge will be dismissed. You'll get credit for the time you've served in jail. These charges are not holding you. I believe you have some other matters, but if those you get released on those other matters, this charge will not hold you. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you have any questions at all?
No, ma'am.
All right. Then that'll conclude the hearing. You can give your headphones back to the jailer.
Okay.
Okay, I'm changing pods again and we'll see Michelle Barunta.
All right, thank you.
Ma'am. This is your video port for your municipal Kansas City, Kansas charges.
Okay,
Headphones, or so you can have a private conversation with your attorney when you join.
okay.
How do you pronounce your last name?
The way it's spelled, Borunda.
Miranda. All right. Miss Miranda, I'm Judge Whitmuth, Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some unresolved matters here. It looks like a traffic stop that happened back in 2023. There's a ticket for no insurance, possession of alcohol in the vehicle, failure to have child in a passenger safety seat, and no seat belt. These charges do not require jail time, therefore, I cannot appoint a lawyer for you. However, you can have a trial on these matters if you wish. What I'd like for you to do, though, is talk with the city prosecutor to see what their plea offer is. If you like the plea offer, we can do that. If you don't, we can set it for trial. So the person that gave you those headphones, if they could put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak to the city prosecutor in private.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Rankin?
Judge, I think we do have a kind of a tentative agreement.
Okay,
The city made an offer to Ms. Barunda to plea to the no insurance charge, and we would dismiss the rest.
right.
The $323.50 fine and no jail time. And we were trying to figure out her county stuff. I didn't see in Blue Horse, doesn't look like there's a date. So I think we're
It
kind
has
of
not
hesitant
been,
to lock
right.
in.
That 2024 case, as far as I can tell, has not been set yet. But let me just look again, because maybe they put something in there now. Because it was earlier.
And I think she has a bond with us. So if we did the plea today, that would resolve that. But I think she has money to post a bond on the county stuff. But
I gotcha.
kind of
Yeah, it's not been
logistics
set.
getting it, you know.
Yeah, the criminal matter has not been set
Mhm.
over in district court. So, yeah, the kicker is whether you take the plea today or we set it for trial or you want to think about whatever, I will OR you out on this charge. Does that
Okay.
make sense?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I don't want you to feel like you have to please so that I will release you. I just want something to move this case in some fashion, whether it's a plea or a trial, and we'll OR you out on our charge. I'm not saying you'll get out because you do have that other criminal matter that I don't have any say in.
Right. And I also, like I was telling him, I do have the money to pay this fine, the 322. I have all of it. And also my bond here. I'm just having trouble getting in touch with somebody because I don't have any phone time. I have no money as far as the Securus or the phone company
Gotcha.
part. And
Right.
so I'm having trouble finding a bondsman that will actually um come out here because I have the money in my property, but I'm
I
having
gotcha.
trouble.
I gotcha.
Yeah, and
Well,
I'm willing to pay anything that I need to pay because, like I said, I'm over this. These are old. I'm getting my life
right.
together. I'm training to be assistant manager for my job, and I just want to get this taken care of so I don't lose my job and what I worked so hard to get.
Right. Well, here's the deal. I'm going to give you, if you take the plea today, I'll assess the fines, but give you a date to pay it. So you don't have to pay it today.
Okay.
We can OR you out on this matter, all right? But then you'll have to take up the district court business. I can't help you with that. But then this will all be resolved just with a date in the future to pay.
Okay.
Will that, will
Is there
that,
you? Yes, ma'am. That'll work just fine.
okay.
Is there any way that I mean I'm trying to I'm trying to get this bondman
Right.
to
Yeah,
even a phone call. I just
right.
need one phone
Yeah.
call.
Well, I can't help you with that because yeah, that's not my function. All right. I can't, but I can deal with this charge, these charges that we have here today. We can get them resolved, give you a date certain to pay, and then you can focus directly on your matter in district court.
Okay. Hopefully
All right.
it'll put my bond down a little bit, but I won't know for sure. But
Yeah. Well, and also you can talk to your lawyers over there to help you with that too.
yeah, I don't even know if I have any yet. But I
Yeah.
thank you, ma'am. When
All right.
would I have to pay for
Well,
this?
let's back up a little bit. I want you to understand that pleading to the no insurance, you're giving up your right to a trial. Do you still want to do it that way?
Yes,
All right. So to the charge of no insurance, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
guilty.
I will accept your plea. Those other charges will be dismissed. I'll schedule this. I'm going to go to the end of September. So that way you can really kind of focus on what you got going on over in district court. The end of September, September 25th at 1 o'clock. And if you are still in custody, we'll know. All right. But hopefully you'll be out and be able to take care of your matters. All right.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
And we will send over paperwork that releases no holds dealing with these charges. All right.
Okay, okay, thank you.
All right. Did you have any other questions?
No, ma'am.
All right. Well, then that'll conclude the hearing. I wish you good luck in those other matters.
Thank you.
All right. Have a good day.
You too.
A pretrial that I can talk to.
I have no information on that at all. This is all I do is the city court. Oh. Nothing? Okay. Wish you the best. Wish you back. Ms. Foster, the next person is Commissioner Foster.
Yes, thank you.
Ma'am, this is your video court for your Kansas City, Kansas warrants that you're having court for, right?
Now who?
Your Kansas City, Kansas warrant, your city charges.
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, they'll give you more information.
Hi.
Hello, I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some
Hi.
unresolved matters here. It looks like you have 6 charges of trespassing, mostly at KU Med and a place at 8929 Parallel. You also have a charge of possession of drug paraphernalia. So how we need to proceed is I want you to understand that you have an absolute right to have a trial in these matters. But what I'd also like for you to do is speak with the prosecutor to see what his plea offer would be. There's no jail time really associated with these charges, so I can't appoint a lawyer. However, that way you can hear the prosecutor's offer. And then you can also weigh that against a trial if you wish. All right.
Okay.
So if you would tell the lady that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout, you'll be able to speak to the prosecutor in private about this.
Yes, ma'am. Can you put me in breakout? Okay.
Mr. Rankin?
Judge, I think we do have a resolution.
All right.
I believe Ms. Foster is willing to plead guilty to 3 of the trespassing charges, and the city would dismiss the remaining 4 charges. We'd recommend a fine of $150 on each, so a total of $450.
All right. Ms. Foster, did you understand what the prosecutor just said?
Yes, ma'am.
My understanding is you want to plead to 4 of the trespassing charges. Do you understand by entering those pleas, you're giving up your right to a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is that how you want to go today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now, for the 4 charges of trespass, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Sorry, I think it should just be 3 of the trespassing.
Oh, 3. I'm sorry.
changed
Oh,
it.
yeah. I even wrote 3. I'm sorry. 3 of the trespasses. Your plea was guilty.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The other charges will be dismissed. Now the fines and costs. How how long do you think it'll take you to pay that? It's a little over $400.
Maybe 2 months.
What I'll do is I'll go to October 2nd
Okay.
at 1 o'clock. That'll give you a good almost 3 months, all right,
Okay.
to get it done. The quicker you get it paid, the quicker you'll be done with it. I will tell you that we are starting to do collections here at Municipal Court, so you need to have that paid or it'll go into collections, all
Okay.
right? All right, did you have any other questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, we will send over paperwork. You should be released today. And so I wish you good luck unless you have any other questions.
Nope, I don't think I do.
All right. All right. We'll send over paperwork. You'll be released. You have a great day.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Think that's it.
Josh, hold on. Okay, October 2nd is when we don't have court. Remember?
But payment we do. She can pay
Oh, for
online.
payment, okay. The date is locked. Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Okay,
All right.
Done,
Have a
ma'am.
great day.
thanks. You too. All right, the deputy will go ahead and get you back.